Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make Kawaii future jersey, and I'm going to break it down as fast as I can. Quickly before the video starts, I'm about to hit 4,000 subs, so if you want to help me out, make sure to like and sub to the channel and join the Discord below if you want to interact with other producers. Okay, first step, obviously, we got to start out with the chords. Make sure you locate all your instruments so that there's nothing clashing with the bass in the future. Alright, now we need to add some more cue sounding instruments to fill up the background, so I decided to add an Arp. Next I added some filtered vocal chops. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the actual drop. Alright, now we need a catchy melody, so I decided to add in a music box. Also, I decided to add different plugs for this drop and pan them to the left and right.